Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to change the default page background in color on the Brave browser. First, open the Brave browser. You can click on Customize Dashboard and modify the background from it. You can set a solid color as background. Or you can upload a picture from your device. Or set the Brave default background. You can also change the default page background in color on the Brave browser from Settings. From Appearance, you can change the Brave browser mode between dark and light, or keep it as Windows mode. Or you can download theme from Web Store. Choose one theme and add it to Brave.